One of the cheapest and simplest anti-armor missiles is the Swedish Carl Gustav. This simple and robust handheld system fires an 84mm rocket. It is in service with over 40 armies and has proven its effectiveness in combat. Carl Gustav was originally designed exclusively as an anti-tank weapon. Today it exists in various forms, capable of firing different kinds of projectiles. The biggest round is the Heat high-explosive anti-tank round. Other projectiles include high explosives, smoke, flare, and practice warheads. Though the Heat round weighs only 7 pounds, it can destroy a main battle tank. It rides in the barrel on a ring of Teflon, reducing the rapid spin imparted by the rifling of the inner bore. Here, an engagement between a Carl Gustav team and a tank is seen from the point of view of both the infantryman and the doomed tank.